Hi party people, it's time to do our nightly animal check, and I've got the boots on because it's a little bit wet out here, so my little slides were not cutting it. Okay, we're stopping over at the Macaw aviary first. Did you just hear that woodpecker? It's always so amazing to me when they can make such a loud noise, and it's like coming from so far away. Oh, I forgot, we put the water on this side because of the rain today. So 1 second. We're gonna go over here and grab their fresh food, which I put over here. Oh, wow. They're good on their food today. And then their seeds I just refreshed today, so I'll leave that in there. There's the woodpecker again, did you hear it? All right, birdies, night-night. We'll come and get a better look at you on the other side, though. Okay. So there's that. I'll refresh that in the morning. All right, birdies. Night-night. Sleep tight, little cuties. Bye-bye. Okay. Next, we're going to pop over to the koi pond. The squirrel-proof bird feeder is still kind of working. They did knock it down the other day. The squirrels are just, like, on my last nerve. Especially after the one in the coop last night. If you didn't see it, go look at it. It's kind of funny. But I was looking at the coop today, and it frickin' chewed through the screen on one of the windows on the coop, which is just so annoying. Okay, we're gonna feed the koi quick. Yummies! They're like, we're hungry. So lovely. The water looks a little bit cloudier than usual because it rained today and yesterday, but it'll clear up in no time. Okay, let's pop over to the chickens, see if everyone's tucked in for the evening, and surely make sure that there's no squirrels in there. I put some mint in the coop. I also sprinkled this Revitalaim around because it has like a peppermint smell. Apparently they don't like peppermint, so we'll see. I did see one in here though, right after I put it in, so clearly it's not working that well, but see the mint? Okay, well, at least there's no squirrel in here right now. All right, we got Thelma number 1, Sandy number 2. Oh, and I did clean the poop shelf today. We got Leo number 3, Lucy number 4, Machu number 5, Renee number 6, Luis number 7, and Rhonda number 8. And we will surely be closing this up so that no squirrels could get in here. All right, adios, chickies. See you tomorrow. Oh my gosh. The tomorrow singing, I was like, almost said another word. I don't even know what, but it was a mix. Okay, let's pop over to the baby chicks. We'll say goodnight to them, and then we'll be on with it. I also put the Revitalaim around here, just because it keeps like little pests and stuff away. Look at there they are. Oh, and they definitely had coccidiosis. I did a 2-day treatment of Toltramax, which is similar to cord, but it's a quicker treatment. And oh my gosh, they're like new. Brand new chickens. We did lose one. I forgot to make an announcement because I like noticed after one of the videos the other day. I think it was 2 days ago, but all the other ones are good. I was scared we were gonna lose a couple more because they were still acting like very lethargic and like their feathers were drooping down. It was like sad, but they all made a comeback, so I'm so happy, yay. Luckily we caught it in time. But things to look for, lethargicness. Is that even a word? Drooping wings and like they were closing their eyes a lot. That was the biggest sign, and they just weren't being themselves. So something to keep in mind. It's something that they get from the dirt. And the big chickens got it last year, so obviously we got whatever it is in the dirt here, okay? And we don't use medicated chick feed, so that's probably another thing. But anyways, that's all we got. Adios, party people. See you tomorrow.